Hello, everybody. This is Michael, the LangShack here. I just wanted to start learning new stuff, studying new things. So in the last lesson, we were reviewing what we learned yesterday. I don't know how many of you guys are doing all the courses day by day, like day 1, day 2, or if you guys are just doing the courses by lesson number, because there is a review 1, review 2 video, but I also have the days on there, so each one is for day 1, each one is for day 2. It's kind of like as a video diary for myself to keep track of as I'm learning this language. But some of you guys may need more time, or you don't have that much time, so you may need to do a little bit at a time. But this is just how I'm doing it. Okay, so yesterday, a few lessons ago, we went over to have, which was teen. Teen is like Portuguese ting, somewhere between ting in Portuguese and Spanish is tiene. So this is like mi teen, bo teen, et teen, nos teen, voso teen, nan teen. And examples of its usage. So a new word was cacho. Cacho is a dog. Pushi was a cat. Nos tinum class, we have a class. Non tinum class, they have a class. And we started going over these verb tenses, which are a little bit more complex, especially for a Creole, because most Creoles don't have this. I've seen Spanish-based Creoles, like Cape Verdean Creole, they don't have this. The Cape Verdean Creole only has, I think people who mix Portuguese and with Creole do this, but Creole itself, doesn't have this. But this kind, Papiamento Creole, does, which is quite interesting to me to see. I'm not sure what Duna or Tuma. I'm sure Huma is, because Humo in Spanish is smoke, so I assume Huma is to smoke. So humando, as you see here, is to smoke, smoking. Tuma and Duna, don't know what those are. And then if the verb ends in an I or E, then it will get an iendo. So this is very similar to Spanish. It's actually the same. There are exceptions according to this. So for ta, which means to be, you would say siendo. For teen, you have teniendo, sabiendo, and I'm sure this is like I said yesterday, this is a typo, so it's not dormi, it's dormi. Durmiendo, sleeping. So then down here we have some other words. So teen have bye is go, like in contabay, how are you? Which probably means something like, how does it go in the present tense. That's how it works in Cape Verdean Creole. The two are very similar. Walk means to see, and lesa means to read. So, mi tinum pushi, I have a cat. Mi bay na school, I'm going to school. Mi wak kas, I see a house. Mi taleza buki, I read a book. Yeah, just simple present tense. I read a book. So if we were to translate these into these ando tenses, if we were going to say, I am having a cat. Not done. Okay. So we're not gonna do that then. So, but theoretically, you would say, mi ta teniendo, but you can't do ta teniendo according to this thing. So, but you're going to use T. You're going to use ta with this. So, I'm going to school would be mi ta bayendo na school. Wak, as the note said yesterday, becomes mirando. So you could say mira or wak, but there is no wakiendo in Papiamento. So you can say mita mirando un cas, and you can say mita lesando un buki. I am reading a book. I am looking at a class. I am going to school. Mita bayendo. So what does it say? Mita bayendo school. Mita mirando un cas. Mita lesando un buki. Okay. So, yeah. So next, after you get done doing the Sando stuff, if you need more practice, we can do more practice down below, but I'm just going through the grammar right now here. So we can form the past completed in the past continuous using and tapata. So tapata is actually exactly the same thing as Cape Verdean Creole. It's just very interesting how many similarities these two Creoles have. So, Mia tin umpushi, I had a cat. Min tabatin umpushi, I had a cat. So, tabatin, okay, so taba, so the past. So if you want to say I had a cat, like really simple, a very simple tense. If you want to just stay simple, you can say Mia tin umpushi, I had a cat. If you said I used to have a cat, which indicates that you had one for a long time, it was something that you kept having a cat, and it just kept it kept going on for a long time. Then mi tabatin umpushi, I used to have a cat. Mi abai skol. So I guess it would be mi tababai. Yeah, mi tabata. Whoops. Mi tabata by school. I used to go to school. Mi tabata by school. I saw a house. Mi awak unkas. I saw a house. And this in the past tense, I assume would be mi tabata wak unkas. I saw a house. Mi tabata wak unkas. I read a book, Mi aleza umbuki, would probably be mi tabata lesa umbuki. Mi tabata lesa umbuki. Yep. All right. So, just to practice. Well, actually, I'm gonna wait. Okay, so the last tense they're gonna cover is the future. So they add the lo before or after the noun or the pronoun before the verb. So lo goes before the verb, but it can go before or after. So you could technically say, in this case, I will have a cat. I'll have a cat. You could say lo mi tin umpushi or mi lo tin umpushi. For the same example, I am going to school, or I'll go to school. Lo mi vai na school or mi lo vai na school. I will see a house, or I'll see a house. Lo mi wak un kas. Lo mi lesa un buki. I will read a book. Lo mi lesa un buki. Mi lo lesa un buki. I gotta stop saying the S like a Z here. It's by habit. So yeah. So lo. So if you put lo before or after the noun or the pronoun, but before the verb, then that means like you will do it, like future tense. Yeah. Okay. And then there's a couple more here. Yeah. Okay. So they have negation. To negate a sentence, just like Spanish. Okay. So to say you don't do something, or you don't have something, or just any kind of no anything, you'll just put no before the verb. So what's plaka? Money. Tired. Kansa. Okay. So mi no tin plaka. Mi no tin plaka. I don't have any money. Mi no ta kansa. So I guess kansa is tired. Mi no tin kansa. I want to practice this a little bit more because this is a little interesting. So let's say the cat is not. Just a couple of them, because the other ones have 4. So negation. So mi no tin plaka. So how do you say the man doesn't have any money? It might be something like e hombre no tin plaka. E hombre no tin plaka. The woman doesn't have any money. E mujer no tin plaka. Ella frau di school. Ella frau di school no tin plaka. No tin plaka. The female teacher doesn't have any money. The male teacher doesn't have any money. Emener di school no tin plaka. The male teacher doesn't have any money. And then I'm going to try the same with tired, because it's new. Mi no ta kansa. Try to make these sentences and not look at the screen, because that's what I'm doing. Mi no ta kansa. You could say you're not tired. Bo no ta kansa. We're not tired. Nos no ta kansa. You are all not tired. Boso no ta kansa. They are not tired. Nan no ta kansa. How would you say that the boy is not tired? Mucha hombre no ta kansa. And how would you say that the girl is not tired? Mucha mujer no ta kansa. So we have plenty of practice here with these things. So now we know that plaka means money, and that kansa means tired. At least we have it in our short-term memories. So double negatives here, all right? So double negatives are done. Double negatives are exactly the same. Instead of saying I don't have nothing, which some of us actually do say in slang or in formal speech, you would say I don't have anything. I have nothing. I don't see anything. It's perfectly grammatically correct to say that in Papiamento. So they use no. They use no with nada to mean nothing. So the combination of no and nada means nothing. So mi no tin nada. I don't have nothing. I'm sorry. I have nothing. And mi no ta wak nada. I don't see anything. Mi no ta wak nada. And none. They say no with ningun. So this one is a more Spanish. This is a more Spanish-y feature. So mi no tin ningun buki. I don't have any books. I don't have a single book. Yeah. Mi no tawak ningun hende. Hende? Hende? That's new to me. Okay. So ningun hende. I guess hende is a person. Hende, yeah, ningun hende. No people. So hende, what's hende? A person. Okay. According to this. Okay. Mi no tin ningun buki. Mi no tin ningun buki. I don't have a single book. Mi no tawak ningun hende. Mi no tawak ningun hende. Ningun hende. Mi no tin ningun buki. Okay, so we got through these grammar notes here. That's going to conclude this recording. It's probably already run too long anyway. And then the next one, we'll do a very quick recap of the grammar, and then we're going to move on to the exercises.